Alright guys, so welcome to today's giveaway video, and in today's video I'm going to present you our first Pika no Mi move right here. So this move right here is pretty basic, to be honest. So the only thing which could be interesting for you is the creation of those particle effects, I think, and the way we are shooting the light beam, but more info on that tomorrow in a tutorial video. But for now, so we just have this move right here which just shoots out light beams from our hand. So nothing more into it. Now, enjoy. Link is in the description, so link to the model and also link to the Discord. So if you want to connect with other Roblox developers, then make sure to check out the link, the Discord in the description, guys. And subscribe, like, comment, guys, and enjoy.